Duties and responsibilities of QNet IR. Being a successful QNet independent representative IR is not a piece of cake. IRAs do a lot of hard work to be successful in the business. They need to take care of a lot of things and must perform many duties. There are many responsibilities on the shoulders of a QNet IR. 1. Being loyal. Trust and loyalty are the building blocks of any business. An IR should remain loyal to QNet. He should take care that he is responsible for maintaining the image of the company. His actions can be responsible for the positive or negative image of the company. He is behind maintaining QNet's network integrity. He should be clear that his network marketing income depends upon his marketing and leadership skills, and his efforts. 2. Building a strong network. An IR should maintain QNet's network integrity. As the name suggests, network marketing is all about building a great network for smooth business. 3. Downline. QNet IR should train and assist his downline. An IR is a mentor for his downline, and he should maintain the dignity of it. He should be fair and honest with them. He should refer only those whom he has personally approached and presented the business to. 4. Transparency. Transparency is the strength of QNet, and the IR should be transparent with the downline. He should present the compensation plan accurately and honestly. He should not give false information about the QNet business. He should not represent QNet as its agent or employee. 5. Improving QNet's image on social media. An IR should take care of the company's image on social media. He can promote QNet products on social media sites, but he should not share any false information about the company. An IR should not mislead the folk. 6. Introducing new customers. An IR should refer to customers or new IR. He should market and promote QNet products as much as possible. He should make sales by introducing new customers and service the existing ones. 7. Build good relationships. An IR should build good relationships with his downline as well as his upline. Network marketing is all about building relationships. The better the relationships are, the more smoothly the business works. 8. Only QNet. An IR should not refer to any network marketing programs other than QNet's training programs. He should be committed to the company, as commitment and faith are essential for the growth of the company and the IR. 9. Paying taxes and obeying laws. An IR should obey all laws, statutes, regulations, and ordinances on the business. He should pay local, state, provincial, and federal taxes applicable to his income as an IR. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. Also, to get the future video updates, don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon.